Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to break down how much Just Eat riders can earn in 2026. Rider income can vary based on a few key factors. First, the number of deliveries you complete plays a big role. More orders usually mean higher earnings. Your location also matters. In larger cities, there are typically more delivery requests, and customers may tip more often, which can boost your overall income. Another important factor is your working schedule. If you choose to work during peak hours, like lunch or dinner times, you may qualify for extra incentives or bonuses. The type of vehicle you use can also affect your earnings. Whether you're delivering by car, motorbike, or bicycle, each option comes with different costs and efficiency levels. So, how much can you actually make? On average, Just Eat riders earn around £10 to £15 per hour. However, in busy areas during high-demand times, earnings can reach up to £20 per hour or more. Don't forget that tips and performance bonuses can further increase your total pay. To maximize your income, try to accept more orders, deliver promptly, and maintain a strong rating. That's a quick overview of Just Eat rider earnings in 2026. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.